What? I feel quite highlighted enough for a Thursday, and now we're also highlighting ears. He is, oh Jesus. Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today I'm jumping on the bandwagon and I am going to do my makeup like someone else's makeup, and I am going to do Bretman rocks. I think he is absolutely hilarious. He doesn't upload on YouTube like loads and loads, maybe like once a month, maybe a little less, but he's on Instagram and he's just hilarious. He's so funny and he can actually slay makeup really well. So I decided, you know, I'm gonna do his because as I was watching his video I was just laughing, and I wanted to do someone who is completely left field but who I genuinely enjoy. I spent a lot of late nights undercover laughing at everything he puts on Instagram, and he's just the cutest. So we're gonna go ahead and copy Mr. Bretman Rocks.
Is watching. Hey bitch, it's me, Bretman Rock, and today I will be doing my May 2 Makeup Plus app look that you guys voted for on Twitter. As a matter of fact, let me see how many votes Bougie got. It got 57%.
This makeup tutorial is called Bougie.
Go in with the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. It has sunscreen in it, although it's night, you still need moisture.
Okay, so first thing, he's starting off with moisturizer. That's a good place to start. He's using the Kiehl's facial moisturizer. I don't have that, so I'm gonna go in with my Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base. By the way, he does swear a lot. He does use the Emma effing word probably after every other word, so yeah.
Once you have the moisturizer on your face, you are gonna go in with a primer. Today I'm gonna be using the YSL Touche Éclat. I don't speak this language, so I'm gonna be using this. It has goat speckles all over.
You know what, to be honest, I find it difficult to say. He is going in with the YSL Touche Éclat blurring primer, which I actually do have. You know what, I forgot how good that primer is. It feels amazing.
Unless my makeup is offending you, then shut the up. Cause y'all know damn well. I'm gonna go in with two Makeup Forever foundation. I'm going with the Ultra HD and the Matte Velvet.
Oh, I don't have the Makeup Forever foundation, so I'm gonna go in with Huda Beauty, which has a matte finish, which is kind of similar. Oh, and he applies the foundation directly onto his face first. I never apply my foundation like this. I don't know how I apply it. I always dip my blender onto the back of my hand.
Now time to conceal the areas where I need to conceal, and that is my beard area.
So I don't have a beard area to conceal, but I'm not gonna lie, I got a little bit of a mustache going on, so I might follow this step.
I'm taking the Lock-It Concealer from Miss Chavonti.
Okay, so he's taking the Lock-It foundation, which I think is quite full coverage. So I'm gonna go in with my Dior. This is the Dior Forever Undercover full coverage, and it's quite close to my skin tone. You know what, I might as well just do the beard area anyway. Do you know what, I'm liking the fact that I just did a little something to my slightly dark area.
Now we're gonna highlight the face using the Pro Conceal by LA Girl Cosmetics. This is in creamy beige, and I'm just gonna use that underneath the eyes.
It's going in with the LA Girl. That was my favorite go-to, but I've cleared out my makeup collection and I don't have the LA Girl anymore. But an affordable highlighter concealer that I like is the Makeup Revolution. For £4, these are just as good as the LA Girl ones. Probably not as thick, but really good. I'm gonna go in with C12.
It is a little light, but it's okay because I'm gonna mix it with the Lock-It foundation to kind of compromise.
Okay, he mixed it with a slightly darker one, so I'm gonna do that as well. I'm surprised he didn't like do his nose. I always do my nose. Okay, time to blend. Okay, yep, we've got our base on. I feel very much like a boiled chicken or an egg because my eyebrows are not done. So let's see what he's gonna do next.
Now that we have the base of our face on, all the liquids on, we are gonna bake the face using the translucent medium deep from Laura Mercier.
Laura Mercier! Yes, I love this translucent powder, and like he said, I have the medium deep as well. Maybe he's got medium, but I do find it a bit dark for my under eyes, so like he did, I will be mixing it.
Let's do a mini haul. Today I got 4 things from Sephora. I just bought a lot.
Can you believe in the middle of the makeup tutorial, he just stopped and did a haul?
I think I'm gonna make mix it with the...
Just the middle of the makeup tutorial. Just did another kind of video. Wow, it's so wow. So I'm gonna mix the Laura Mercier with the MAC Patrick Star collabo.
Oh my god, I love it already. Dude, did I just...
Let's see if I feel the same way. Love it already. Oh, it looks cute. It looks cute. He's powdering down the side of his nose as well for a little contour. I can't believe there's no like middle of the nose action. I feel weird because I always do something down my nose. With a big brush, he went in and powdered the rest of his face with it. I never do this, honestly. I don't actually powder that much and I just feel very powdered. And I'm getting balder and balder. Where are my eyebrows? They're disappearing.
Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera because I don't think I could do this with the pressure of you watching me. So I'm gonna go off camera real quick.
So he did his brows off camera. Nice. You know what, the pressure of you guys watching, okay, it's actually true because someone will insult your eyebrows. So I'm gonna do mine off camera. I don't leave powder on my face this long. I'm not a huge baker, but his is just sitting there baking. So we're gonna do that. He went in with a MAC paint pot. I don't have that one, but I do have another one. So we're just gonna go in with that.
Guys, I use the Master Palettes by Mario and the Nubians by Juvia's.
The Mario palette, mine is been through the works. This palette got a lot of love, telling you, oh my gosh. And I don't have the Nubian palette, but I do have this palette. This is the Sahara palette by Juvia's Place. I think I can make it work. I think he went in with kind of like more of a like beigey light base. I'm just gonna go with this because I feel like this is good enough.
I don't know how to describe the eyes. Like I did not take anatomy for eyes, bitch. I don't know what crease.
I did not take anatomy for eyes. Listen, this is how I feel. Like some of these makeup tutorials are like being in biology class, honestly. The crease, the labia, what is it? What is it?
We are just dotting that on the eyes, the bottom part mainly.
Oh my gosh, he's doing what I detest. I hate putting dark colors on my lid, and he's going in with a black eyeliner as a base. He used a black eyeliner Kohl. I'm gonna use a brown one. I'm gonna be confident. I'm gonna go with the black. I'm gonna use this from Bobbi Brown.
Okay, this is harder than I expected.
He had a mess trying to blend that. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. It's a mess. And then he's gone in with Violetta from this palette, and I'm gonna put that on top of the black. Oh, it does work. It actually genuinely works. That looks a lot stronger than it normally looks to me. You know what? That is very interesting. I am not mad.
To blend out all of the edges. Bitch, ain't nobody want no
bitch, ain't nobody want a line. Oh
Make
my
sure
gosh, she's so funny.
Now it's time to wipe off the bake, bitch. This has been baking forever.
Finally, we can wipe off the bake because it's been baking forever. Honestly, I feel like a sand dune when I bake for this long. I feel so dry and my under eyes look so wrinkly. Oh my god. He went in with an eyeliner. I don't ever use like an eyeliner, so I'm gonna use highbrow and hopefully it's fine on the inside of my eye. This is how people end up suing, you know, because you use a product in the way you're not meant to use it. Don't do this, but it's cute or whatever.
So to contour and bronze, I'm gonna be using the Terracotta by Guerlain.
To contour, he went in with some Guerlain bronzer. I'm not a bronzer girl. I need to use like a dark powder. So this is from Bare Minerals. And this is their Bare Pro foundation powder, which I love to use to contour. He's snatching his drawer. It's also a step that I don't really do a lot. There we go. And then let that bake.
I'm just gonna put this where I would highlight and where I want the highlight to hit. This is super like skin light.
Okay, so he's being fancy, going in with the Tom Ford illuminating highlighter lightly. I'm gonna go with my NARS. I love this illuminating palette. It's light, but you can build it up. He is, oh Jesus, he highlighted his forehead.
Skin light finish.
But for me, highlighting my forehead isn't going to work. Maybe I should just blend it a little bit more.
So now to set the highlighter, we are gonna set it with more highlighter. With Max Fit.
To set the highlighter, we're gonna set it with more highlighter. All right, Fix Plus to the rescue.
I don't really know why people use this for like they literally spray 4 times. I'm like, bitch, I drenched my face in this. Like,
we need to drench ourselves in this. Drench. I am gonna go in with Fenty Beauty. I'm gonna go in with the Kilowatt.
shit does not.
I feel like these two are gonna get that same kind of color.
Especially if you spray that Fix Plus. It does not joke around. It does. She's there. She's saying hey.
She is saying hey.
Saying what's up? I'm curious.
He's got the chin.
Oh, a lot of you guys are waiting for this moment, so we are gonna highlight my ears together.
What? I felt quite highlighted enough for a Thursday, and now we're also highlighting ears. It's a new dawn in makeup. Well, let's just get my ears out. Oh my god, my ears. No one ever sees my ears. Like, why? My ears are highlighted because Bretman Rock highlights his ears. My forehead's highlighted. Darling, you're fabulous and you're gorgeous. I need to tone it down a bit because, you know, I have to go pick up my baby from nursery. And I think people are going to be like, what? Who in the hell is this girl? And a little to the brow bone. To be honest, he does look very you are gold. He looks very you are gold. His highlight is really popping. So I feel like I am getting the Bretman look. I really feel like I am.
JD Wadey Luxe Beauty nose contouring brush.
Finally, some nose contour.
I'm gonna go in with the gold because I don't want my nose to look too gold. I want it to be
my gosh, his nose highlight is insane. He wanted it slightly more silverish. Wow, it's a beam of light, dear. I'm just gonna go with this then if we're gonna go a bit more silverish. So for blush, he went in, it seemed kind of peachy and quite bright, so I'm gonna go in with this blush from Dior.
I use this every day, bitch, every day of my life, when I breathe, when I wake up. Like, I just use it for everything. Like, if I'm dying.
If he's dying, he's gonna be buried with that lippy. It looks dark, it looks vampy. I'm gonna see if I've got something similar in my collection. I'm not gonna lie, I love this shade of lipstick. I love a dark vampy lip like this. To me, it also looks like he put on some mascara beforehand but didn't show us on camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara, especially on these lower lashes. They need them. The only thing that is missing is the lashes. He had a coupon code for lashes. I don't, but I'm loving these lashes. Are so cute. Okay guys, my finished look. Do you know what, Bretman? You kind of killed it because I actually feel way more dramatic than normal, but I feel like it's come together and looks quite nice. This is definitely Instagrammy makeup, and I feel like if I took a picture, it would look quite flawless for like the gram and stuff. In person, it is very highlighted. Boy, I am glistening like the sun. I am shining. But overall, I don't think it looks bad at all. Like, jeez. But you know what? Bretman can slay makeup, you know, and he got the bougie look down. I'm happy to be able to recreate it slightly differently than I would normally do that. So shout out to him because I feel like he's made me look extra spicy. So yeah, what do you guys think? Do you like it? Am I giving you that Bretman diva or whatever, like extra vibe, like the hair? I can't do it, I'm so bad. Or whatever, you know. Yeah, I'm so sorry. That accent is just really not great, not amazing. Just watching one video of his will do this to you. Okay guys, I'm done. Thank you for watching and I'll see you later. Bye.